Kevin Maples did not deserve the rank he got because he is so much better. My point is, you know what I'm saying? Kevin Maples, my nigga, is like legit top 50 and above, and that's without a fucking shadow of a doubt in my mind. And niggas who think otherwise can suck my motherfucking dick.
How is this?
Bro, sit your ass back down.
I think you just described it perfectly.
Word.
Like that's it. You described it better than I could have, and with an understanding of like, you know, how societies like kind of happen. I agree. That's all I can say.
Word.
There's a way, and you can explain your idea and you know, put it in a thesis, in a video, and it would be really interesting. And if you market it well, I think it would be huge.